Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use transitions in Final Cut. Transitions basically go in between clips. If I follow this gray bar in the middle of my screen all the way across to the far right, you'll see a little bow tie icon, and when I click on that, I get my transitions window. Now if I go ahead and roll over one of these transitions, band for example, and I just roll to the right, it would show me what it would look like going from one clip to the next. We'll do that one more time with one called duplicate. Let's see what that looks like. Ah, very nice. So the way to use these transitions is you just grab it, plop it down in between two clips right on your main track and let go. Go ahead and let this render out. That's when the small circles disappear and it's done processing. Play this back. That was an interesting transition. It was kind of like a little vapor effect. I think it was called earthquake. So that's how a transition works. If I go ahead and control click on that transition, I can change the duration. Up here, this is 1 second and 23 frames. If I were to type 200, it would give me a 2-second transition, which would make it a little bit longer. Now, something to keep in mind with transitions, the telltale sign of a beginner editor is when you have 50 different types of transitions because they look kind of cool, but they could certainly be overused. Transitions serve a purpose of changing place or time, and so if you have places in your video where that happens, it'd be a perfect place to put a transition. Otherwise, don't overuse them.